soft and relaxed style personalities tend to gravitate toward a more natural look. A natural style is picking things that enhance and complement your natural beauty instead of competing with it or hiding it. You'll want to pick complementary, like attracts like here. For example, if you have light eyes, light hair, light skin, you'll want your clothing to be lighter in tone or softer patterns, something that won't compete with it, for example, a really bright shade of color or a high contrast pattern. Another example is as we get older, we start getting wrinkles, our texture in our skin. So as that starts to happen, you can pick clothing that has texture in it as well, like a boucle, a tweed, a herringbone. Now, hair and makeup. You'll want to choose minimal makeup that just plays up your natural features or looks like you're not wearing any makeup at all, and less extreme hairstyles. Natural, pull it back, nothing overdone or overstyled. It's all about the compliment of you look great versus, wow, that's a really great blouse. You don't want your clothing and your style choices to take away from your natural beauty.